In today's video we will fix the LG UltraGear settings grayed out, disable HDR, VRR, conflicts and unlock the OSD. So the fix one, you can turn off HDR in Windows. Press Window plus I and open the setting. Then go to the system. After that click on display setting. Then you can select your LG UltraGear monitor. After that turn off HDR. Fix 2. Disable adaptive sync and VRR. Open the monitor OSD menu, go to the game adjustment, then turn adaptive sync, FreeSync and G-Sync compatibility off. The fix 3. Change picture mode. Open the monitor menu, then go to picture mode, then switch from HDR effect, FPS, RTS or game modes to custom or user mode. And the step 4, you can try adjusting the brightness, sharpness or color settings again. And the final fix, you can disable smart energy saving. Open the OSD menu, go to general settings, then find smart energy saving and turn it off. And then recheck locked settings. Goodbye.